Greetings from Vilnius, from the second beach adventure for today, from this beach, Valakampiau. That's on the River Neris. So I have already taken a swim in this river, further below, as the current is going down at Žirmūnų, but this is another beach here in Vilnius, and it looks quite amazing indeed. It's quite interesting, and it's perfect to visit on a sunny day like this, 21st of September, and we have 22 degrees Celsius in the air, and in the river it is 17 degrees Celsius. And this is the second beach adventure from Vilnius, and the second from the River Neris, that you can see how it is. The beach is sandy, and there is also a large green area as well. Currently there are some ducks that are doing some playground work here. So yeah, it is time to take a swim here and enjoy the beautiful day, as I have did some sightseeing earlier today in the center of the city, but you know that I love being on the beach, so I need to explore all the beaches in Vilnius, and there are not that many. So let's then take a swim here. So you can see the sand is very soft and quite nice indeed. Let's see how strong the currents are in the river here. The entrance is basically non-existent. Just look at the ducks, how they're playing. They're chasing each other. There we can see also a kayak, people that are kayaking along the river. And the further you go into the river, the further the current is stronger and stronger. So yeah, Valakampiau, if I got the name right, I'm not really sure anymore, but one of the few public beaches in Vilnius, Lithuania. And as I'm exploring Vilnius over the weekend, and I wanted to check out as well the beaches, apart from all the sightseeing in the center of the city. Alright, so 22 degrees Celsius in the air, 17 in the River Neris this is. So let's go! Quite nice. The water is not that strong here where I'm standing, but if I just lean in, it will take me all the way to the center of Vilnius. And this beach is located around 6 kilometers from the center, Valakampiau that is. This is Valakampiau 1, because there is one more further up the stream. We can see also a plane potentially landing in the airport where I have arrived yesterday, and you can see the beach as well, how it looks like on a September day like this. Still a lot of people, but it's obviously not the season, as this might get a lot crowded during the high summer months. Let's see if the river will take me further down. How fast can I swim to stay on the same level? So this is basically a swim, and then you're staying at the same space at the same position because the river is quite strong. But yeah, if I turn the other way around, I can swim all the way to Vilnius, center of the city. So yes, the second beach adventure from Vilnius, Lithuania. We have here a wrap. Hope you enjoyed this episode from this beach, Valakampiau, on the River Neris. And this one is actually facing west, so it has perfect sunset also. So it is very nice if you want to, for a escape from the center of the city, that it's quite touristy, enjoying this beautiful beach that you can see. So yes, greetings from Valakampiau beach in Vilnius, Lithuania, and hopefully I will see you soon again on my channel that's called Beach Adventures with Chris.